have a mixture of fear and confusion.
Fear and confusion.
I was like, they're dead. Because I was parking on the side of the road until someone clipped me. Whoa, what is it?
Okay, it's ugly. But it runs so well. A 92, the year you were born.
Okay. Is this good on gas?
Yeah.
Little 4-cylinder.
Holy crap, there's a card. Is this why you wanted me home?
Yeah.
You made me feel bad. Oh my god.
That, we also paid your ticket.
And money.
You know your $99 ticket?
What?
Paid.
Why are you giving me all this? I didn't do anything.
Merry Christmas.
Wow.
There's something else.
Oh my god. Is it? Oh, thank you guys so much. I don't know what to say.
You're free!
It's got a bow. I'm gonna leave that on there
Like
all the
you
way
always
home.
wanted. You can.